Bosch 24-inch dishwasher to make this full stainless steel. 55 and same dimensions, but full stainless steel. Remove these Torx screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, another 4 on the top. A T15 Torx bit. This hole, and this hole are the same length, but this hole is not. The control panel top has these taller screws. The sides of the door have the shorter screws. The cover panel slides forward. Everything should slide off. 1, 2, and 3 underneath the handle. Just lift the entire control panel. You have to pull all the way up out of the rail. Make sure you're not stressing any wires. Pop the old handle out. 4 tab stops on top and 2 on the bottom. Just gently by a finger. So you get a snap. And this is popped through. Push. We have a click. This is popped through. Our new handle is in. 4 bottom tabs have engaged and 4 top tabs have engaged. We install this in the reverse order. We're gonna line this brand new steel rail to this piece of plastic. We're about 1 inch off. There's a pocket in the rail that we get to this point. And then here's where the rail actually engages. So we'll tilt down, we let it drop down and push each side to seat it firmly. Now we'll put in these 3 Torx screws into the new holes, 1, 2, and 3. Next, we'll transfer padding over to the new door. When remounting this flange ends, and you could hook it to the bottom of the door to hook into the actual door. When you bring this up, it's properly aligned. Just put the screws in the reverse order for each one. If you like this video, please like it, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.